What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Tesla with the ticker symbol TSLA. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So I look at Tesla 2 times a week, every Monday and Thursday. So let's take a look at what happened since Monday. You can see the Monday price did increase all the way up to the 268 level, the high 260s. That was the expectation because we had this upward trend line in play, and there was nice resistance level that was acting as a magnet that the price can reach, which was this downward trend line that I drew off the swing highs. So price got rejected from it on Wednesday, and even today we saw a further drop to the downside. So again, price is in an area where it could continue higher because we still have this bullish trend line in play that I drew off the lows. So price is still contained within it. So we can still continue moving higher, and also we are above the EMA. So I think we could still continue higher. However, that's probably unlikely. I think the more likely situation is a retracement back to the mid 240s, the mid or the low 240s, just because it looks like we can still see another attempt down by the sellers to reach this measure move target at the 193 level, because this was the first attempt to reach it, and we could see the second and final attempt. Usually the second attempt is the final attempt to reach it. So again, if this is acting as support, I think then we're probably going to see the breakout of the trend line and continuation towards the upside. So that's what I'm looking at Tesla. It can still obviously break through that trend line that I drew off the swing highs, but I think it's unlikely. We'll have to wait and see. I'm looking for a little bit more downside. I'm expecting that to hold, and from there we can probably see another breakout occur towards the upside. So that's what I'm expecting to occur. I think that's the most likely situation. There's a lot of situations or scenarios that can play out. I think this is the most likely situation to play out. Either way, I'll be expecting higher prices because there's a strong bullish momentum to the chart towards the upside, basically since January of this year. So it's been continuing to push up higher and higher. We're just seeing a correction take place, and I think after this correction is over, the trend will resume towards the upside. So it looks like the bears are struggling to reach the target. It's not over yet. We could be seeing another attempt down, which could be forming right now. And once that attempt down fails, or even if it does reach the measure target, we could see the resumption of the uptrend. So this is what I'm expecting to occur, and I'll give you guys an update most likely on Monday. Now let me take a look at the earnings report when it's coming out. It's actually coming out very soon. Looks like next week, Wednesday. So maybe if we do see a drop until then, that earnings report will probably come out and push up the price. Now let's take a look at the weekly chart. Weekly chart shows that price is super bullish. Obviously, we have this nice uptrend in play. Price is still above the weekly EMA, and we're finding support from that 240 level, which is a very good sign. So again, obviously this is still bearish in the long term for Tesla, but in the short term, we could see some more downside. But again, the trend should resume towards the upside after this correction is over. Not guaranteed. It can obviously just start crashing any second and just blow that bullish case out of the water, something like this. But that's super unlikely to occur. That would take a lot of energy from the bears to do that. So I'm not even expecting that as of right now. I'm expecting a slight drop for more upside. Either we get that or just continuation of the upside from where we are right now. But I think that's just slightly less likely than a drop and then moving up higher from there. So that's all I have for Tesla on the daily and weekly charts, and most likely give you guys an update on Monday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time. The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now.